Hi, I'm Tim at Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm going to show you a little bit more of this Kia Sportage that's just arrived. A little couple of features that you won't see in the video are the hill descent control and the voice control that functions on this car. Finished in a glorious white paint. It's a very nice example, very fine car, so let's have a closer look. There you have the Kia Sportage. If you'd like to take further details or you'd like to book a test drive, simply give us a call on 01305 266066. Thank you.